The strength properties of apparel have traditionally been considered the most obvious indicator of the service life of apparel. KNOLL, Knoll and Shiloh, 1976, of the Israel Fiber Institute, conducted a limited survey to assess the relative importance of laboratory tested properties in apparel and other textile items. Each participant in the survey was asked to rate the relative importance of strength, wear, comfort, aesthetics, dimensional stability, and color fastness in terms of percent. The respondents gave strength and wear properties. The strength and the respondents gave strength and wear properties 25% importance for outerwear, jackets, dresses and skirts, shirts and blouses, sweaters and cardigans, 30% importance for undershirts and hosiery, 45% importance for towels, sheets, pillowcases and 25% importance for curtains. Therefore, it seems that consumers consider strength properties important. So, dear students, the respondents gave strength and wear properties 25% importance for outerwear, coats, pants and jackets, dresses and skirts, shirts, blouses, sweaters and cardigans, 30% dresses and skirts, shirts, blouses. So these are the most important things. Therefore, it seems that consumers consider strength properties important, along with other that consumers consider strength properties important, along with other that properties of and also the this paragraph is he says that strength properties are important. The whole study of Israel Fiber Institute is about strength properties are important. He has conducted a survey. Respondents were taken and all the so it is taken, and this is known as strength properties are important. The strength properties of apparel can be divided into the following three areas: fabric strength, seam strength, resistance to yarn slippage. So fabric strength, seam strength and resistance to yarn slippage. So these are the three properties that we are going to study now. Fabric strength. Dear students, this is the very important topic of the all testing phenomena. Fabric strength is divided into breaking strength, tear strength and bursting strength. And next one is seam strength. Seam strength is about seams in woven fabrics and seams in knitted fabrics. And then we will study about yarn slippage. So fabric strength. Fabric strength can be divided into three areas: its resistance to tensile force or breaking strength, fabric strength can be divided into three areas: its resistance to tensile force or breaking strength, its resistance to tearing or shearing force, and its resistance to bursting strength. Whether the strength of fabric is measured in all these three areas depends on the type of fabric and its end use. So dear students, now he says that the three strength properties, they are breaking strength, tear strength and bursting strength. The breaking strength or tensile strength now I will read about breaking strength. The breaking strength or tensile strength of a fabric refers to its resistance to tensile force. Breaking strength tests are used for woven fabrics. Breaking strength of a fabric can be tested in either length or width or both. So breaking strength can be found in length direction or width direction or both direction. A specimen 15 to 10 centimeter is placed between two sets of jaws. A specimen, so 15 into 10 centimeters. So 15 is the length, 15 centimeter is the length and 10 centimeter is the width, is placed between two sets of jaws. These jaws are 7.6 centimeters apart. These jaws are then pulled away from each other, creating a tensile force on the fabric specimen. Ultimately result break in the fabric specimen. The force and elongation at this point are noted, which are strength and elongation at break are expressed in grams and percentage respectively. The force and elongation at this point are noted. So force is noted and elongation is noted, which are strength and elongation at break in grams and percent respectively in the respective direction of the test. It is customary to take at least 3 to 5 specimens in each direction, warp or length and width. The final test result is expressed as an average of the test results of these specimens in the respective direction. Breaking or tensile strength test is not suitable for knitted fabrics because knitted fabrics have a lot of stretch. The complete procedural details of this test can be found in ASTM D5034 standard test method for breaking, force and elongation of textile fabrics (grab test). Annual Book of ASTM Standards, Volume 07.02. So, and he shows a tensile strength tester. So tensile strength test, I will show you the video what to talk about it. It is very easy. So we have to take a specimen of length 15 centimeter and width 10 centimeter, and it is kept between the two jaws of the tensile strength tester, which the jaws are 7.6 centimeter apart, and then the jaws are pulled away. One above, it is pulled from the up and one is from the down, and it is the force required to break the fabric is found out with the machine, and the elongation percentage and force are measured in the length direction and in the width direction, and in the length direction and in the width direction. 3 to 5 specimens are taken and the average is taken. Now we will see what is tensile testing. Breaking strength. Tensile test. So dear students, please look at this video. It's a too long video. I'll show a simple video. No, please, it's a too long video, so that's okay. Let's see. Tencel Test. So we will see this 3 minutes video. I think I have to change the place probably. That is not very useful. Why so much delay? I am unnecessarily worried about whether it is 12 minutes or 10 minutes. So let's see, it is too long, but it's okay.
Hello there, my name's Andy from the Engineers Academy, and today we're at Tyne Metropolitan College in order to conduct some
So this is Tensile testing
and the test that
machine.
we're going to be looking at
So
today
please
is the
look at it
ultimate
carefully.
tensile strength test. We're going to be testing three materials. First of all, we're going to test a sample of brass. Secondly, we're going to test a sample of bronze. And thirdly, we're going to test a steel sample. Now, the piece of machinery that we're going to use is the Tensel Test machine, as you can see here. And when we begin the test, each of these samples of material is going to be loaded between these chucks on the Tensel Test machine.
Yes. These are the perfect videos. Now I got. Earlier I have shown you good videos, but today we are wasting our time. The most important thing. Kuljao Sim Sim. Open. It is a computerized tensile testing machine where length and width are already given in the system. So they are fed into the system. The length and width are fed into the system, and then we will find out the strength. It will come automatically. So you see there. It is not showing the testing part. That is the fabric. That is the length of the. What is this stupid music? So these are the top jaw and bottom jaw, upper jaw and bottom jaw. He is showing only computer. For heaven's sake, what is he doing? Nobody knows. So test is going on. you see the upper jaw and bottom jaw. I want a very good video. This is also not very useful. You see it is getting lean. Now it is going to break. Please observe. Yeah. You see it is getting weaker and weaker, and now it will break. So this is the curve that we got. So you see students, so this is what it is. So I don't like that video actually, but short videos are better videos. What the hell is this showing? I want to show one good video to my students and these are not available. What is this? Let's see this. Uljao Sim Sim. Yes. This old guy is very good. I think he will do a better job.
Of this strip of fabric. Normally we would cut this fabric wider than 50 millimeters.
So that is upper jaw and that is bottom jaw. So this is very good. And fabric is inserted between the two jaws.
So we're just stuck the less accurate method of cutting as accurately as we can to 50 millimeters wide.
You see, very simple.
So that's the sample in there. Just as I put the sample in there, I pulled down gently on the lower end of the sample to give us a slight pre-tension. That just makes sure that the extension is an accurate figure. And now I'm going to start the test by pressing strain and peak hold. And peak hold will freeze the maximum force of the sample, which will be the force of break.
You see now the break. The
upper
upper jaw will move upwards and the bottom jaw will move downwards and it will break. So here the speed, tension of the breaking is also important. The speed with which the upper jaw moves and the speed with which the bottom jaw moves, both will be same though. They will be, you see that's called breaking strength. So where the fabric has broken, that is the breaking strength of the
force of 88 kilograms force
fabric. So we have to take 5 to 10 samples and find the average. So this is the testing method. So and now they'll for the next test,
and then we can remove the sample.
He is bringing the jaws again to the same place, and then he will do the testing again.
Is a Gore-Tex, a clear Gore-Tex laminate, and on that we've got a
so this is about
backing. We've got the woven front, the outer layer of the
fabric tensile testing.
The fabric, which will be the outer layer.
So we have to do 5 to 10
and in between
5 to 10 samples like that, and then we can find out.
This is Gore-Tex, as it were.
and 5 to 10 samples like that. So this is
on a British Standard test, we repeat that 5 times in the warp direction.
This is called as breaking strength. Breaking strength. So I will show one short and sweet video. This is also, let's see. Grab test. This is like ASTM-D. Please observe. Please observe ASTM D5034. What is written in our book? Same. In our book is also same. ASTM D5034. This is called grab test. You see it is breaking. So this is ASTM D5034. So we got it. So we got the confirmation that ASTM is really a standard, because we have got what? The same thing is there on the online. I am too much worried about my. Okay, dear students, in the next class we will see tear strength and bursting strength.